The Tuscan Voyage. Chapter 10. Our Tuscan Legacy Leaving a Positive Impact. As we embarked on our Tuscan adventure, we were determined to leave a positive impact on the region that had welcomed us with open arms. We wanted to contribute to the community in meaningful ways and to make a difference in the lives of those around us. One way we did this was by volunteering our time to local organizations. We worked with environmental groups to clean up beaches and plant trees. We helped out at soup kitchens and homeless shelters. And we lent a hand at local festivals and events, sharing our love of Tuscany with visitors and residents alike. We also made an effort to support local businesses. We shopped at the farmers' markets, buying fresh produce and artisanal products. We dined at local restaurants, savoring the flavors of Tuscan cuisine. And we visited local wineries, sampling the region's renowned wines. By supporting local businesses, we contributed to the economic vitality of the community and helped to preserve Tuscan traditions. In addition to our volunteer work and support of local businesses, we also made a conscious effort to reduce our environmental impact. We recycled and composted, we conserved water and energy, and we walked or biked whenever possible. We wanted to be good stewards of the environment and to leave Tuscany a better place than we found it. We believe that even small actions can make a big difference. By being kind and helpful to our neighbors, by supporting local businesses, and by living sustainably, we hope we have left a positive impact on the Tuscan community. We are grateful for the opportunity to have lived in such a beautiful and inspiring place, and we are committed to doing our part to protect and preserve its unique character for generations to come. Chapter 10. Our Tuscan Legacy, Sharing Our Experiences. As we settled into our new Tuscan life, we couldn't help but feel a sense of excitement and gratitude for the opportunity to immerse ourselves in this beautiful and historic region. We were eager to share our experiences with others, both near and far, and to inspire them to discover the magic of Tuscany for themselves. One way we did this was through our blog, where we chronicled our adventures and shared our insights into Tuscan culture, food, and traditions. We wrote about our favorite restaurants, wineries, and hidden gems, and we provided practical tips for travelers planning a trip to Tuscany. Our blog quickly gained a following, and we were thrilled to hear from readers who had been inspired to visit Tuscany after reading our posts. We also share our experiences through social media, posting photos and videos of our travels and our daily life in Tuscany. We connected with other expats and locals, and we formed a community of people who shared our love for this special place. Through social media, we were able to reach a wider audience and spread the word about the wonders of Tuscany. But our desire to share our experiences went beyond the digital realm. We also made an effort to connect with people in person. We hosted dinner parties and gatherings, inviting friends, neighbors, and fellow expats to share a meal and conversation. We also volunteered in the local community, helping out at festivals and events and working with organizations that were dedicated to preserving Tuscan traditions and culture. Through our blog, social media, and in-person interactions, we were able to share our love of Tuscany with countless people. We hope that our experiences will inspire others to embark on their own Tuscan adventures and to discover the beauty and magic that this region has to offer. We believe that sharing our experiences is an important part of our Tuscan legacy. By doing so, we hope to promote cultural exchange, foster understanding, and encourage others to appreciate and protect this special place for generations to come. Chapter 10: Our Tuscan Legacy, Inspiring Others to Embrace New Adventures. As we shared our stories of life in Tuscany with friends and family back home, we were often met with a mixture of awe and envy. Many people expressed a desire to embark on their own Tuscan adventure, but felt held back by fear, uncertainty, or a lack of opportunity. We realized that we had a unique opportunity to inspire others to step outside their comfort zones and embrace new experiences. We began by writing a blog about our life in Tuscany, sharing our experiences, insights, and practical tips for anyone considering a move to Italy. We also gave talks at local community centers and libraries, sharing our story and encouraging others to pursue their dreams of living abroad. To our delight, our efforts began to bear fruit. Several friends and acquaintances were inspired by our story to take the leap and move to Tuscany themselves. They found jobs, enrolled their children in schools, and embraced the Tuscan way of life with open arms. Seeing their happiness and fulfillment was one of the most rewarding aspects of our Tuscan journey. We also discovered that we could inspire others to embrace new adventures closer to home. By sharing our stories of exploring new places, trying new foods, and meeting new people, we encouraged others to step outside their routines and seek out new experiences in their own communities. We believe that everyone has the potential for adventure, regardless of their circumstances. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24.com using a self-developed program by Pasquale De Marco. Download the ebook now.